Welcome back to Maths Plus. Today we're solving the radical equation, the square root of s plus 1 all over the square root of s minus 1 over 4 is equal to the square root of 2. So maybe pause the video, give it a try, and let's see how you get on. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you. So let's get started. I'm going to square this square root here and square the other side as well. So the internal square root will remain in here, but we will get a square root of 2 ought to be squared. Now that we're squaring both sides, we can cancel the square root. So we can get s plus 1 all over the square root of s minus 1 over 4 is equal to 2. As remember, the square root of a ought to be squared is equal to a. Okay. Now what we're going to do is multiply across, and we will get s plus 1 is equal to 2 square root s minus 1 over 4. But x plus 1 ought to be squared, so we need to keep all of this together. And then apply 2 with its own square and the square root of s minus 1 over 4 with its own square. As we need to distribute the squares, as if we have the combination ab to the power of n, we will distribute the power a to the power of n and b to the power of n. Okay, so that's perfect. So now let's square out, and we will get s squared plus twice the cross multipliers, which is 2s, plus 1 squared is equal to 4 by s minus 1 over 4. Now let's multiply in on the right hand side and bring everything to one side. So we get s squared plus 2s plus 1 is equal to 4s minus 4 by minus 1 over 4 will give 4 over minus 4, which is minus 1. And therefore we're going to bring everything to one side. So if s squared plus 2s minus 4s, bring that over, and then we get plus 1 is equal to 0. So the next step now would be to apply the quadratic formula. So we can see here that the a is equal to 1 as it's the coefficient of the s squared. The b is equal to negative 2 as it's the coefficient of the variable s, and the c then is going to be the number on the right hand side. So let's put it all into the formula, and we will get s is equal to minus b, which is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 by a, which is 1, by c, which is 2, all over 2 by 1. And we will get a result of s is equal to positive 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 8, which is minus 4, or negative 4, all over 2. Write the negative 4 square root is equal to the square root of 4 by the square root of negative 1. And let's recall that the square root of negative 1 is I, as it's a complex value. So if s is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i all over 2. And now let's factor out the 2's. We'll get 1 plus or minus I. And finally, our answers for the radical equation are s is equal to 1 plus I and s is equal to I. So I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you again very soon with a new video.